In this video, I will first design a landing gear that can plant bombs, then I will make a model out of packaging, balsa wood and a pen. Join me as I draw, model, animate and film fantasy robots fighting in a machine-only world. It's crossover steampunk mecha. It's the behind the scenes before there's even a film. It's Retro Roboland. So in the last video, I used the 6 thinking hats method to decide that my flying robot plants bombs on time delay. So that means that today I'm going to design on paper, then build a landing gear that I can use to plant bombs. So my white hat reference drawings are left to right, a circular landmine, the suspension of a 1970s British motor car, and the foot of a consumer electric sewing machine. So my videos here, I'm going to edit more brutally and also post every second week. We're right into my first concept drawing of the landing gear. So now, drawing number 2 is a 3/4 angle with the mine just resting on the sled. And then drawing 3 is a side plan view in actual 1:1 scale with the model of the flying robot. So I then chose to be very accurate and physically measure the model and make detailed drawings for the design of a landing gear, including the top view. So I'm using the clear plastic packaging from a computer mouse packet here as a template. So that same piece of clear plastic packaging I will use here to make the sled landing panel, cutting it out using a craft knife. And what I'm doing here is gluing a small magnet to the fuselage. Now we'll come back to that in a later video. Off camera I glued balsa wood and wire to the sled, and what I'm now doing is taking apart these ballpoint pens for the springs and the chambers. Then I use this MDF board to cut down these small rectangles. Which I glue to the pen ink, barrels and the sled. And test for fit. Back to the drawing board to create a type of strut to counteract the tension of the pen springs. Then cut out the strut from thick balsa wood, so it rests on the sled like so. Then paint with gesso undercoat. I use a plastic loyalty card to make 2 stays to guide the pen barrel, which I will glue on. My power drill eases the fit. And with the spring in place, that works well. Lots of suspension. So I glue the strut to the sled using my collection of Penguin Classic paperbacks to weigh it down, including my favourite novel, Cannery Row by John Steinbeck. So that worked, and I will just paint a base coat of Battleship Grey. And the next video I will design and paint camouflage. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe over there. You can start the playlist from the beginning. It's going to get longer and longer over there. That video the YouTube algorithm has selected. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.